All right, hi everyone. Today will be our focus is going to be more on working with older templates. So today I'll be starting with creating a logo for your brand, just to show you how easy to come up with the logo design. So we're gonna check. Remember, there are several templates you can play with here. So there's several ways. I can go to my design anything and add my logo, pick the logo, just one out of these. I can try to check the category here to look for the logo, which will take your time. Also, you can go to your create design, same way, and just type a logo. So we have a logo here. Okay, so right now we have the logo template open. Very easy and very nice to do. Right, possibly if I'm going to have a trick today, let's focus on that. So yeah, for a logo, for people who are just upcoming, Canva can be used to come up with logo. But if you want to go more pro, do more of a 3D design, a full professionally. No, I don't like to just use the word professionally. More you want to do more of a full HD, or possibly several templates here. Have the kinds of ideal logo you're looking for, then you can shoot in or bring in a graphic designer. But that's easy for you to be able to create a lot of parts. So I'm going to play with issues here for. All right, so you can see them in section: the gaming logo, the badge logo, how to design fashion, band, computer, food and drink logo, education logo, sport logo, restaurant logo. You see the DJ, the games, soccer, the beauty, the basketball, relating to law, home furnishing logo. So several logo options for you. All right, so we have them in sections that you can modify. Remember, the first assignment whenever you see a design like this is to identify the template, the elements on this design. So let's check and just play with one of those designs. So number one, I think I would love something that flows through the link, so you can click to see all the sections. And nice logo, yeah. Okay. Several logos again. All right, so this is Mama Yum Yum restaurant. Okay, baby food. Now this is a template, so it depends on, you can do it from the scratch. And now this has a watermark, which means it's on the free platform. And so I will be able to switch to something today because I want you to enjoy what happens on the pro, which you can do here. So I'm going to switch to pro. I hop in the link here. All right, so I go to where my pro is and look for the link there so that I can access my pro platform. All right, so I'm on my pro platform. All right, okay, you can see this panel is currently editing the design. You may still edit, but there's a chance of you could lose changes. So what it means that I just need to come here and just close this for me to be able to access from here. Okay. All right, so let me just reload that. Now, because there's an aspect I want you to pay attention to, whereby when I'm done with my logo, I'll be able to access all other features here. So I'm on my pro, and you'll be surprised that immediately I brought it here to the pro version. You can see there's no watermark of the Canva on these elements, so which means it is available for me free under the pro feature. So it's modified. Remember, these are groups, so I can ungroup this. And nice one. Okay, for example, maybe Mama Yum Yum. I love Mama Yum Yum, but let's try another one. Maybe Amala Plus. Okay, Amala is a type of food in Nigeria. Amala Plus, and so I don't need I don't think I need this, so I can just delete that and easily. Who will not like this? So if you like, you can modify and change the font or the size depending on the one that suits you or plays around what you're doing. I know you want to try this, but this look nice. Okay, but nobody will see this. Okay, right. So possibly let me try. Now you can use Vapors for this. You can use Amala, but you just want something that's so straight people could see. Maybe you can try to make it uppercase and nice one. Okay, it's fade a bit, so I might change the color. We can make it my bold color. It's Amala Plus, and the food. Okay, see, these elements have several options. So if these are not your brand color, you might want to stick with your brand color. Okay, see, just keep changing them. If you notice, every colors here. Okay, same thing. All right, nice one. Okay, and finally, think we have something here. This is Amala Plus, this one, and all these together. So to make it somebody saw Amala Plus, this is the fork, this is the spoon, and this is the knife. They know easily I'm able to create a new logo. You know, there are different variants you can create from this logo. If you duplicate this page, I can decide that the Amala should be here and this is here. Okay, I can also have another option to say this can be reduced a bit and my Amala Plus can be at the left. So depending on the type of variant you want to play with, and there are lots of spaces here, so I just go to the spacey options and try to reduce the line letter good one. So and can you see immediately I'm moving it, the grid help me to align that. So I have Amala Plus. So you still have an idea, maybe you plan to play with an element, you can add your element here, and there you have your Amala Plus. Amala Plus. You know, you can still play with several templates, several options for you here. Different logo, you know, play with. The first thing, remember your mood board, whereby you have everything you need to design on your inspiration board before you come online and try. And if you're actually possibly a carpenter or a furniture, you just go to the template here and look for the particular pictures and something that relate to your logo could look as simple as possible. Then you can go to your elements and look for something that relates to what you're selling, and then focus on your positioning of your particular logo. Remember, this is just the simplest of all. There are several options you can play with. So go to your template. You see lots of options, lots of templates for you. For example, I write this one of the variant. For example, I said something. Okay, like this is a striker. This is for a game logo, and you can see. And this is another name. You can decide to remove this. Possibly, my game logo might not be a game logo. Maybe it's a sport. So just to maybe Car Racing Pro. All right, Car Racing Pro. Okay, we need to make it be on the side, so I have to try to reduce this a bit. Car Racing Pro. Maybe it's Lagos. I just say Lagos cohort. You know, I'm just guessing a name for maybe it's for an event. Could we have that already? This does not show racing, so I have to remove this and look for a better element that have to do with possibly car racing, so you can track that. And remember, making images, looking for elements don't need to always be majorly on Canva. You can go to Google and check a lot of images, car racing. So okay, let's just see what we are going to have here. Okay, I love this particular design, and I think what is it? I actually like this too. So okay, we can keep this. I try to Okay, so they are centered, and yeah, who doesn't like this logo? I can decide to change the font, change the color, change the background. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, nice one. All right, so why am I on the Pro? Because there are several times where you need to do some designs. If I am going to save these images, these and these, is you are going to have the white background out of it. All right, so let me show you. For example, let's download page one only. You go to your download on the page one. Okay, we only want to download only page one, so just click on page one, click on done, and download. What happened to this is that it's going to come up with that white background. So let's look at that. Okay, so the white background is there, but you may not see it. So let me make it like change the white background to maybe a bright color like this for you to see. So let's try it again. Okay, page one. All right, so let's just download page one. That's the first page there. All right, so let's look at the design right now. Look at it, it has the background, and your logo sometimes needs to be transparent, because not only you're creating your logo for people to see, you'll be using your logo for several activities. Possibly you're putting your logo on a design, on a banner, on a particular design you do online. So you need your logo to be transparent. So this Canva can also achieve for you. So on the Pro, we're going to try with the same thing. On your download, just go to your download and look at this. This is transparent. Remember, when you see the crown here, it means it's for Pro, but I have access to that, so I put it on transparent. Then I go to my page one, click on done, and there I can download my design. So let's see what it looks like. The design is done, and okay, can you see? Nice one. There's no bug. So I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the design here. I'm going to upload that design back here. Where is it? Okay, all right, so let me show it in my folder. You can see this is a white background, this comes with the background, this has no background, and I'm just going to bring it back here. I drag it here, upload, and so we try to create a design and just show you what it looked like to have that design here. So for example, this is a new page, and on my photo section here, possibly a smiling face. Okay, these people are eating. Okay, so and possibly I'm using this to explain my particular food and good. So I just go back to my upload and bring my logo. You see, it look nice. So I just edge that, reduce that, and okay, and that look nice. So that's how to create a logo. So if you try to make these 50% in the last screen, see my logo is there, background remove, a nice one. So what I want you to do is play around with several templates here, work with them, design from the scratch. I'll share that with me with your share link, and we are good. You are now the Logo Creation Pro. I hope you enjoyed this section. I will see you in the next section on this class.